Yeah, wow. You wanted to.
Yeah, YouTube, take my P90 out now. Oh, that felt better. At least I didn't fall off through, that's the main thing.
You need someone else on the right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 15 here. I had 15. Why does he do all that stuff and then not come out with his gimmick?
It's thingy anyway.
Domination.
No.
Done all that work? Oh, totally.
Search and destroy.
Oh, such.
So, don't really matter anyway.
Oh yeah, you're taking it off. 15. Fine. Cheers. Why did you break it?
Oh wow.
No, they're fine. Lewis, they're fine. Lewis!
You figured it out, put it back together normally, yeah?
Fair play, man. Ain't actually too bad. Bit of a kick on it though.
Alright guys, listen to this. Welcome to the first game of the afternoon. Your objective for this game is going to be to get these 2 dynamite sticks. There's one in that building back there and one in the building over there. Attackers, your respawn is going to be in a hut over there. The marshal will direct you there so you don't get lost in the middle of the woods. Defenders, your respawn is going to be one in there and the other one in there. Defenders respawn, each respawn is going to have 15 lives each. Once those lives are out, you can go to the other one if it still has respawns. If no respawns have lives, once you get killed, you're done for the game and you'll just pick up probably behind all the buildings. Attackers, whichever team you will be, we're going to spot either way. Already did your objective, didn't I? Attackers, you're going to have infinite respawns. As I said, you're going to start over there, that's going to be your respawn. Your boundary for this game is going to be the netting going along behind you. Don't go anywhere past your respawns back there and your respawns back there. And just in case you do get lost, there is netting back there where the caravan is and the orange wrap trees going along the backside over there. Resource bags is going to be semi only for the first game. If you all behave, we'll do full auto for the second. Any questions? How many lives will 15. Any questions?
15 each, yeah?
15 in each building.
Yeah,
so you've got
each
15 in there, 15 in there.
As a group,
as a group, you've got 30.
Well, you're gonna aim just for the dumpos like me, you know, you've got to make it clear.
Any more questions? Smart ones? No? Alright, non-armbands, where do you want to start?
Don't care.
Attacking.
Attacking, alright, armbands, defending, non-armbands attacking.
Semi, yeah?
Semi at first, yeah. That's good. Press there once.
Oh, you got progressive too, yeah?
Yeah, should do. No, it's like that. And it's been, it's not a standard P90, it's been upgraded.
No, I don't, so that's mine.
Yo!
Over here for us, guys.
Oh, YouTube just goes rider. As you see, taking my P90 out, play this game.
Got P90.
Yeah,
Is that new or?
you. And upgraded. It's got the P90 MOSFET in it.
Yeah? Oh, sorry.
We saw the jog, was that like a barricade shit like that, just on the other side? Yeah.
My apologies. Over this way, guys. I made a bit of an oopsie.
Yeah, this is what the army's really like, boys. You get there and they tell you to go somewhere else.
Yeah, that's my nephew would tell you that. The nephew serving soldier.
Hither.
Sorry lads, that was 20 miles in the wrong direction.
At least it's not like an American, so.
I'm just a dude pretending to be another dude.
Other grenade.
At least it's not Americans.
He went for
You just shoot each other.
Who's quiet?
Non-armed ready.
You. Just a dude pretending to be another dude.
5 more seconds for our band.
Turn round.
Come on, people, change it.
Marshals and whistles if you can.
You gotta keep it together.
All I've got to do is get Ian to
But doesn't he have to drop it when he dies?
Stand by, just do stand by.
Just do a little shimmy when you do it.
Oh yeah, just suggestive.
Yeah, don't worry, it's not a standard P90, it's been upgraded.
Bye!
Heavily upgraded.
I need a burp.
Make as much progress early as you can.
No, I can't. Look at the BBs coming over my way. Yeah, I can see those. Oh, it's behind the barrier. Yeah.
Mate, can you take the bomb on? Don't just listen to it. Got to drop that. It.
Out. Hit.
Hit! Bomb's there!
Well taken.
They're going this way now. Yeah, maybe try to. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, go on.
Same, 2 dash. I got myself a third coming over, mate. I can't find my
P90.
That's good.
May I?
Let me reload it.
Oh, you just got the one mag at the moment.
Yeah, just one mag.
It's quite sleek though, so how much was it?
160 quid.
Oh shit, alright.
Right
What's
then.
cyber gun you said?
Cyber gun, yeah.
Yeah, you just go. They are solid, aren't they? I don't know.
Follow me.
Yeah, I'm not mad keen on full metal. I don't see the point. It's like when people get EOTech, and they're like, hold its recoil. I'm like, it's not real gun, bro. It's black BBs in there for.
Invisible. So might, but invisible.